Today, we're diving into an exciting franchise opportunity right here in the Philippines, the Taho Story. If you're ever dreamed of running your own business, especially something as iconic and beloved as Taho, then this is the videos for you. Let's get started. Taho Story is a proudly Filipino brand that started its journey in April 2024 with its first store at Gyud Fud Market in UP Diliman, Quezon City. The business quickly gained popularity, offering both hot and chilled taho with a variety of unique flavors. Just a few months in, they opened for franchising due to the high demand, and they plan to have 100 stores nationwide by the end of this year. As of now, Taho Story has established multiple company-owned stores and has already signed agreements for 70 franchises across the country. For the product menus, Taho Story offers a delightful range of flavors that appeal to all ages. The original lineup includes Classic Taho, Avocado Loco, Ube de Leche, La Presas Strawberry, Frutas Overload, Banana Nut, Oreoholic, and Manga Graham. They've also expanded into coffee-infused flavors, adding even more variety to their menu. The prices range from 89 pesos to 189 pesos, depending on the size and flavor. Taho Story also serves additional 8 coffee-infused flavors like Mocha and Biscoff, worth 129 pesos to 189 pesos per cup, depending on the variety and sizes. Taho Story sources its taho supply directly from the vendors. The executives argue that they do this to ensure that the taho vendor would have guaranteed and stable income. At first, the food business served only hot taho, but eventually provided an option to consumers to opt for a chilled taho, which they said have been more in demand than the former variety. For the franchise packages, these packages are designed to cater different investment levels, allowing flexibility depending on your budget and business goals. Franchise package number 1, Medyo Malaki, with the size of 3 square meters or 1.8 meters by 1.65 meters. The franchise package fee is worth 280,000 pesos with the initial tax worth of 10,000 pesos. For the franchise package number 2, Malaki, with the standard size of 4 square meters or 2 meters by 2 meters. The franchise package worth is 480,000 pesos with the initial tax worth of 20,000 pesos. Franchise package number 3, Mas Malaki, customized kiosk with more than 4 square meters with the franchise package fee worth 580,000 pesos and with initial tax worth of 30,000 pesos. Franchise package number 4, Mas Pinalaki 1. It is a counter kiosk in line with signage with a franchise package of 680,000 pesos with an initial tax worth of 40,000 pesos. For the franchise package number 5, Mas Pinalaki 2. It is a counter kiosk mall with signage with a franchise package worth of 880,000 pesos with an initial tax worth 60,000 pesos. For the franchise package inclusions, 5 years franchise fee, stall development, equipment, tools and utensils, store uniform, 2 taho container with 1 signature taho holder, use of brand name and logo, store opening marketing assistance, lifetime marketing support, operations manual, training for franchisee and staff, free mini taho display, and free 1 Sintra board with easel stand and other marketing collaterals. For the benefits of franchising, franchising with Taho Story offers several key benefits. Number 1, established brand recognition. Leverage the reputation of a well-known brand with a loyal customer base. Number 2, comprehensive support. From site selection to grand opening, Taho Story provides extensive support to ensure your success. Number 3, affordable investment. with a relatively low franchise fee and high profit potential. Number 4, continuous innovation. Regular updates to the menu and marketing strategies help keep the business competitive and attractive to customers. And number 5, no royalty fees. Enjoy more of your earnings as Taho Story does not impose additional fees on your sales. For the application process, becoming a Taho Story franchisee involves several key steps. Number 1, initial inquiry. Contact Taho Story through their official channels like emails, social media, or phone to express your interest in franchising. Number 2, franchise application. Complete a franchise application form to provide basic information about yourself and your proposed business location. Number 3, business presentation. Attend a business presentation organized by Taho Story where you'll receive detailed information about the franchise and have the opportunity to ask questions. Number 4, site selection. Collaborate with Taho Story's site selection team to identify a suitable location for your food stall or store. This step is crucial as location significantly impacts foot traffic and sales. Number 5, franchise agreement. Review the franchise agreement carefully, which outlines the terms and conditions of your partnership with Taho Story. Once satisfied, sign the agreement and make the necessary payments. Number 6, training and setup. Participate in the franchisee training program provided by Taho Story. This includes operational training, customer service guidelines, and marketing strategies. During this time, your stall or store will be set up according to the package you selected. Lastly, number 7, grand opening. Launch your Taho Story franchise with the support of the brand's marketing team. Utilize the grand opening as a promotional event to attract initial customers and generate buzz in your area. For the contact details, you may contact Taho Story with the address Gyud Fud Market, UP Diliman, Quezon City, Philippines, with the mobile number 0915-132-8136 or 0947-890-8950. You can send them an email at tahostoryofficial@gmail.com. You can also visit their Facebook page and Instagram at Taho Story PH. For the frequently asked questions. Question number 1. Do I need prior business experience to franchise Taho Story? Answer: no prior business experience is necessary. Taho Story provides comprehensive training and support. Question number 2. How long does it take to open my store after signing the agreement? Answer: it typically takes about 1 to 2 months depending on the site approval and development. Question number 3. Are there any ongoing fees after the initial investment? Answer: no. Taho Story does not charge any royalty fees and sales quotas. If you're ready to start your own Taho Story, this could be the perfect opportunity for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business tips and franchise opportunities. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. What are you waiting for? Start your business with the franchise of Taho Story franchise business today.